Welcome to Learner's Guide. Essay on Human Rights. Human rights, the foundation of peace and equality. Human rights are the fundamental rights and freedom to which every individual is entitled, irrespective of their race, religion, gender, nationality, or any other status. These rights are essential for ensuring dignity, equality, and justice in society. They form the foundation of freedom and peace worldwide. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, adopted by the United Nations on December 10, 1948, outlines 30 basic rights that apply universally. These include the right to life, freedom of speech, the right to education, the right to work, and the right to be treated equally before the law. It was a landmark moment in history emphasizing that human rights are universal and indivisible. However, despite the global recognition of human rights, violations persist in various forms. Issues such as discrimination, child labor, human trafficking, and lack of access to education are reminders that the fight for human rights is ongoing. Poverty and inequality further marginalize vulnerable groups, denying them their basic freedoms. Protecting human rights is a collective responsibility. Governments must create policies that safeguard these rights, and individuals must stand against injustice. Awareness campaigns, education, and activism play vital roles in promoting human rights and ensuring they are upheld. In conclusion, human rights are not just legal principles, they are the essence of humanity. By respecting and protecting them, we build a world where everyone can live with dignity, equality, and freedom. Ensuring human rights for all is the first step toward a just and peaceful society. Respect human rights, respect humanity.